Hi, my name is Chanel. I work here at Uncle Harry's as a customer service specialist. And my favorite product is our aromatherapy hair conditioner spray. This hair conditioner spray is my favorite product because it's my trusty to do for a good hair day every single time. The reason why it's my favorite is because it's really moisturizing without being too heavy. The essential oils in it not only rejuvenate and strengthen my hair after I'm done styling it, but it also leaves a really nice orange blossom scent, which makes me feel like a fairy all day, which is the best. I do it after I shower, but I also, after I'm done drying and doing my hairstyling in general, my favorite part is to spritz it on afterwards because it just brings all those frizzies down and gives you an overall good hair day. I smell like orange blossom.